Fighting a mission becomes much easier when there are more number of people involved. Unity is of utmost importance for society as well as the whole country and the world at large. As public fear and uncertainty grows around the COVID-19 pandemic more than ever before, what we need at this point in time is solidarity, hope to see this crisis together. Alone we can do so little, but together we can do so much. Teamwork begins by building trust. The only way we can do that is to overcome our individual invulnerability. It is literally true that you can succeed best but quickest by helping others to succeed. So let us fight this pandemic together. It has been proven that this virus can be contained, and all we need is a coordinated global response. Global solidarity is not a moral imperative, it is everyone's interest. Effectively, change is almost impossible without industry-wide collaboration, cooperation and consensus. The best way we can be part of this global fight is to come together and fight together as one team. As a people, we need full engagement through using all means to put words of hope and solidarity among ourselves. At this point, this responsibility is not only for the government of our nations. We will together take the message out there, encourage vital preventive measures like regular hand washing hygiene, proper cough management, social distancing, plus self-isolation if infectivity is suspected. The team of health professionals who have been responsible for outbreak responses, they have learned that we can make a point to work together in ways that recognize our interdependence and reflect our respect for each other. And this applies regardless of who we are, the nations we come from and our affiliations. And we have learned that we can do best if we are willing to share what we know openly to each other and to ensure that no person, no community and no nation is left behind. To this effect, efficient communication and intersectoral working and abandonment of political interests are all keys to help societies beat this pandemic. A massive synchronized multi-actor readiness effort is now urgently needed among communities and nations, and this requires trust and togetherness. Do not spread word of panic, because whatever you say to others about this pandemic matters so much at this point. Let us continue to spread the word of hope and solidarity among ourselves and carry the placard of ending this pandemic soonest. Ensure to stick to the facts. Do not spread rumors and avoid stigmatizing patients. Poor information could help disease spread. Good information could help halt it. It is not a plague or an apocalypse. It is not a Chinese or Asian disease, and people with COVID-19 should not be described as spreading the virus. The World Health Organization said that stigma can undermine social cohesion and prompt social isolation of groups, which might contribute to a situation where the virus is more or less likely to spread. If people are trying to hide their illness to avoid discrimination, they are less likely to get tested or treated. It is also said that using criminalizing and dehumanizing terminologies creates impression that those with the disease, they are somehow done something wrong and are less human than the rest of us, thereby feeding stigma, undermining empathy, and potentially fueling wider reluctance to seek treatment and attend screening, testing, and quarantine. All we need this time is a joint undertaking and all hands on deck in the response to contribute to the well-being of everyone, everywhere. This is the only way. COVID-19 can be beaten right now because we know what it is, we know how to detect it, the situation is improving, 80% of cases are mild, people are recovering, the virus can be wiped clean, science is on it globally, there are already vaccines prototype, antiviral trials are underway. Coming together is a beginning. Staying together is progress, and working together is success. The strength of the team is each individual member. The strength of each member is the team. Together we stand against COVID-19.